Okay, guys, you see again, Dimas. I'm Crab, the Queen of African Culture, and today I am live with DG of Nigerian Tourism Development Agency, live in Abuja today. So, sir, so how are you doing, sir?
Very well, thank you.
I'm happy being in your office today. I'm happy the way you welcome me to your office. I'm happy to be live here today with you. So, thank you very much. Looking at our culture, culture is something that unite people together through culture and history. How do you think we could use tourism to unite the people together?
Um, Tourism is a reward for a good home. It's clean, it's secure, your food is good, it's tasty. That's when visitors come. Nigerians, we love Nigerians, but we don't know Nigerians and we don't know Nigeria. Three different things. Our people are either you're Igbo, you're Hausa, you're Yoruba. Each one has its own culture, its own tradition. That is what in tourism people go from place to place. It's even religion as well. So you have the cultural festivals, you have the religious festivals, etc. When you know the culture of a man, when you know the traditions of a man, you have a deeper understanding of that individual or those people. And it's the deeper your understanding, the more difficult it becomes for you to have a misunderstanding. The deeper your knowledge of a friend, the more unlikely it is for you to misinterpret either his utterances or his actions that are based on his culture or his tradition. If you look at the Federal Republic of Nigeria, though tribe and tongue may differ, but in brotherhood we stand. Tribe, tongue, religion, all those are the social cultural things that make us who we are and in a diverse pot, but we're still one Nigeria. So culture is very important, both at home and abroad. It will always be because it's what gives us our identity as Nigerians. I'm a Yoruba man. I'm unapologetically Yoruba, even though I'm Nigerian before. An Igbo man is an Igbo man. I'm an Igbo chief too. I can be as unapologetically Igbo as I can be as unapologetically Yoruba because I am Nigerian.
Been to an Igbo cultural festival before?
Quite a few. Ofala, New Yams, all they're very colorful, especially Ofala. I have a bias towards Ofala because of the colorful feathers in the hat, the outfits, the ivory women, and big chunks of coral. It's very colorful. Food is very good. The music is something else. I can't understand it, but the vibrancy of the music gets me. And I think generally Igbo people are also very welcoming in terms of the culture. So, the first thing is what will you have to drink? What will you have to eat? Where are you staying? They're always encouraging you to stay longer. Don't go yet, stay longer. So, very welcoming people. I think one of the strongest characteristics after industry and business of the Igbo people must be their welcoming nature, especially to foreigners to Igbo land like myself.
Okay, talking about this tourism, there are some places that I visit during the course of my research. Oh, I found out that there are so many places that have been dumped. There are so many unique attractions that have been just there and nothing to revive those places. Our people see culture and those tourism places as things that bring people together during maybe Xmas and people home and abroad come together to celebrate. But those places, we find out that those places are just there. like legends like iron smith that have been existing over 2,000 years. Oh, have been just been there. So many places, even in Benue side. I found out a place like that too, even in Arochuku and somewhere in Abia State too that I visited last month. What do you think we could use your office to revive those places since it brings employment and brings people together, site attraction, will generate things from there, and the youth also could use that to help themselves as a community?
Fantastic. They don't belong to me. They don't belong to my agency. Every state you have mentioned, all those sites belong to the state governments. I have made a plea to the state governments that the state and federal government, we're not in competition. We're in collaboration. Let us help you to develop those sites. I don't have the money. The taxes that are paid in those states are for those assets that are in those states to be used to repair them, to maintain them, etc. If you want, let us collaborate in the development. It's our job to help you generate more employment, generate more revenue, generate more taxes from those tourism assets that you have. So we can advise you, we can help you design. I mean, you saw, you were part of the meeting we just had here about the upcoming New Yam Festival. And one of the things we consistently say is, just come, we'll discuss. Where we don't have money to give, but we have knowledge and experience to share. And it is generally better for us to be on one page because we promote you, we know about you, we tell people about you, we encourage you, we train you. All those things are little nuggets that encourage the growth of business. So we welcome any state that has tourism assets that want to develop their tourism assets. Even if we don't have money, we can help you make the kind of connections that can help you raise the kind of money that you need. But if you hold it that this is my own in Orochuko, I'm not going to share it, you're just holding it, you're just holding zero.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're most welcome.
I so much appreciate it. Thank
You're
you.
most welcome.
Okay, guys, see you again in my channel. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's how we bring you more and more. Ciao, ciao. Thank you, sir.